Hey everyone, my name is Jack Gibson. I'm a licensed esthetician, and today I'm going to be doing a product review / demo on a few products from Saian Skincare. So I was personally invited to come out to a all-day training course with the Saian Skincare company and brand by the CEO, DASHA Saian herself. She was so sweet, she was amazing, and she gave me like $400 worth of free product that I'm going to do a demo and review on for you all today. So the first product that I'm going to be reviewing today is the Saian Restoring Mask. This mask claims to reduce puffiness, it claims to hydrate and soothe your skin, it claims to minimize pores, and the last thing it claims is that it reduces the darkness of spots on your skin. So let's see how this works. Looking at it, it has a yellowish tint to it. Smells very clean, like minty, refreshing, clean. So we're going to see how this works. I will be back in 20 minutes, okay? So, as you guys can see, the mask is now dry. It's been about 20 minutes. Initially, it went on a really wet, hydrating, and then it began to dry. And as it dried, my face began to feel really tight, like so stiff, to the point where I had to like move my face. And so that's why it's like papery and hanging off of me like a mummy a little bit. But overall, it felt very cooling. It had like a menthol sensation to it. The drying process, like I said, it was just very tight and dry feeling. But it does say that it's going to minimize your pores. So that's probably why. And this is what it's like. Once it's dry, I'm going to go ahead and wash it off, and I'll be back to review the other products. So the next products that I'm going to be reviewing from Saian Skincare are the serums. They have several, but these are my two favorite. This one here is the anti-hyperpigmentation serum, and this one is a clinical strength eye serum. It's for dark circles and puffiness. So genetically, I just have darker circles around my eyes, so I'm aware that there's only so much lightening a product can do for me personally. However, if you're a person who has dark circles due to environmental stress or maybe internal stress or something of that nature, this product will probably be very effective for you. I know personally, I've been using the anti-hyperpigmentation serum for about a year now, and I've definitely seen improvement almost within a week or two. So this is something that I know for sure works. It does lighten hyperpigmentation, which is dark spots, and it does even out your skin tone. I've been using this product here for about 2 weeks now, which is the Clinical Eye Strength Serum for the dark eye circles and puffiness. And I can honestly say I do see a difference in my dark circles. So in order to see a product's effectiveness, you need to use it at least 28 to 40 days straight, 28 being the minimum. So I'm about halfway through. In 14 more days, I'll definitely check in back with you guys for the results of this product. In regards to the packaging, very clean, almost has a brown like medicine bottle, and it does claim that it's clinical strength, so it kind of makes sense to me. It's clear, product wise, comes with like a little dropper, serum dropper. It smells very natural, fragrance-free, no smell really. So I'm going to put a little under my eyes here and rub it in. But I'm also going to add the anti-hyperpigmentation serum to certain spots on my face that I feel have like dark spots or marks, which is my forehead, a little bit on my cheeks here, and a little on my chin, above my lip too. I have eczema on on the sides of my nose. All right, so I'm going to rub all this in. So the next product that I'm going to review is the Saian DASHA Lash. I'm really geeked for this product because this is a eyelash growth serum, but it's also for your eyebrows too. I myself don't have very thick eyebrows, but I think I have enough, you know, personally. But my eyelashes, they're really short, very curly, and really wild. I don't mind the wild part, I don't mind the curly part, but I do mind the short part. And so today I'm going to try this product with you all. It's really, really pretty. I like how she put her name in cursive. I want to smell it because I have to smell everything. Again, fragrance free. It does say that it's made of great peptides, and again, it's great for both your eyelashes and your eyebrows. So I am going to try this out, and you really should apply this only at bedtime, not in the daytime. I do want to make that announcement. So let's get some of this on my eye here. It says to apply it like eyeliner, so close my eyes. Okay. So far, it's not like burning or feeling any type of way, so that's a good thing. And I'm putting it like right at my lash line. Get a little more here. It feels very liquidy, little runny, lightweight for sure, nothing heavy. It's actually starting to dry on this eye. I don't feel like I'm going blind or too blurry. Give it a few more seconds, see how I feel. Okay, so I think it's pretty good. I love the fact that it's not burning my eyes, and I placed the product extremely close to my lash line as if it was eyeliner. And I don't feel any tingling. I love that. I love that. So this product definitely gets an A+ for me. Because this is my first time using it, I'm going to at least use it for 28 days straight, and I will check back in with you guys on the growth of my eyelashes. So I really like this sunscreen. I personally was struggling to find one. I knew I wanted to switch from chemical to physical because chemical sunscreens, as I stated before in one of my previous videos, sometimes breaks me out. And so I did want a physical sunscreen, and this sunscreen is physical, but it's lightweight enough to be a mist. And so I really, really like that. And it doesn't seem to have the white cast that most sunscreens or physical sunscreens tend to have. So I'm going to go ahead and blend it with my moisturizer and yeah, show you guys how that works. So that is that. I really love the SPF because again, it is a lightweight formula, but it is physical and it doesn't leave a white cast. So that's something that I'm very impressed by. So I personally love the Saian Skincare line, especially because I have eczema and my skin can be very sensitive, and I do have combination skin, normal, oily. And I think it works for all skin types. That's the great thing. And then her products are clinical strength. So you can't get past that. Something that's all natural for all skin types and clinical strength is very rare. And so I would definitely recommend that you guys go check it out. I will leave the information below. And so yeah, that was that. If you like this, let me know. Thank you all for watching this product review. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please comment below and let me know if you liked this video, if you want to see more, if there are certain products you want me to review. Also, make sure you subscribe, share, like, and turn your notifications on for future videos. Bye.